In this video, we will show you how to use Pano mode. Using the Osmo Pocket separately, swipe left on the screen to select Pano. Swipe left on the screen again to select the 180 degrees and 3x3 modes. Take 3x3 Pano mode as an example. Hold the Osmo Pocket vertically. Press the shutter button, and the camera will automatically rotate and take 9 shots. After capturing the 3x3, you can connect the Osmo Pocket to a mobile device and check the photo with the DJI Mimo app. Using the Osmo Pocket with a mobile phone. Scroll down on the right side of the screen to choose Pano. Tap the Quick Settings button to select the 180 degrees or 3x3 mode. Press the shutter button and wait for the gimbal to automatically capture the view. After finishing the shot, the app will automatically stitch the images into a panorama and enter playback, letting you see your handiwork. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.